Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to delete all your check-ins on Facebook using your PC. Whether you're tidying up your profile or simply want to remove old check-ins, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open facebook.com in your browser and log into your account. Once you're logged in, locate your profile photo in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This will take you to your profile page. Next, navigate to Settings and Privacy. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Activity Log. This is where you can manage all your Facebook activity. Inside the activity log, look for the section labeled Your Facebook Activity. Under this category, click on Posts. A new list will appear. Scroll down and select Check-ins. This will display all the check-ins associated with your account. Now, to delete them all at once, click on Select All. After selecting all the check-ins, look for the Recycle Bin option and click on it. Facebook will prompt you to confirm this action. Confirm the step, and all your check-ins will be moved to the recycle bin. And that's it. You've successfully deleted all your check-ins from Facebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching.